In geography, the major area of study is the Earth. So this subject has been concerned with the pattern of the phenomena on the Earth's surface and how these patterns give character to the particular place. So if we are discussing the feature of the Earth, it means we are discussing it in detail, explain how these features have come to be and what they are, examine how they influence the distribution of people and their activities. So it means if the geography is dealing with the feature of the Earth, it has so many things to study. The areas which are closer to the ocean surfaces have different landforms. If the areas is closer to the mountainous regions, so those have different landforms. So same is the case with the lowlands. So these features are totally different from the rest of the features. So it means that the study of the feature is very important here. Now, when you are explaining how these features have come to be and what they are, we have the best example of the two agents which are actually producing landforms. As due to the volcanic eruption and the work of the glacier, the Earth's surface has variety of landforms. The landforms of glacial landforms are totally different from the volcanic landforms. So why? Because of the location of the two different phenomena. So one phenomena belongs to the highlands and the second belongs to the highland, but it has different process. So both process actually have different type of features. Here we have the study of the large part of the world as Pakistan and a part of the country as Lahore. Now when you are discussing Pakistan as a whole, so we have example of trade of Pakistan. Pakistan has trading partners, Pakistan has import commodities, Pakistan has export commodities, and the hinterland of Pakistan control the trade of the country. So Pakistan is an agricultural economy. So the economy controlled by the agriculture. So that's why the most of the trade commodity belong to this type of economy. And we have the study of Lahore also is part of the country. So in Lahore we have the administrative zones, like it has 9 towns and about 150 union councils. So both are actually the areas of the geography. So when you are studying a country or a part of the country or world as a whole, we have the knowledge regarding different phenomena. And the last one, examine how they influence the distribution of the people and their activities. So here we have two best examples, two different environment. Example of the two different environment. One belongs to the desert type of area and second belongs to the mountain type of environment. Or you can say the one belongs to the lowland area, is a desert area where the shortage of rainfall is the main problem, or a drought area. So this type of environment or phenomena has different type of activities. So but the shortage of water, the absence of vegetal cover has an influence over the human activities. But in the mountain areas, the terrace cultivation actually is the main economy of the local farmers. So here vegetables, the fruits and the crops which are actually controlled by the environmental condition of the area. So these are the main production of the region. So the most important things to remember is the location of the land is actually very important for the activity of the human being.